Every number in a business tells a story. Bookkeeping is how that story gets written. It's not just about data entry or receipts. It's the daily system that tracks every dollar coming in, going out, and staying put. In the next few minutes, you're going to see exactly how bookkeeping works, how it keeps your business alive, and how it connects to the bigger accounting picture. Simple, powerful, and the starting point for every financial decision. This is bookkeeping, explained clearly. Bookkeeping is the process of recording all financial transactions in a business accurately, consistently, and in the right order. It tracks every sale, every purchase, every payment, and every receipt. This is where all the financial data begins, raw numbers, sorted and organized into useful records. Bookkeeping lays the foundation for everything in accounting. Without it, there's no way to measure performance, file taxes, or make confident business decisions. It keeps your financial story clear, complete, and ready for the next step. Bookkeepers handle the day-to-day financial activity of a business. First, they record each transaction as it happens: sales, purchases, bank deposits, and payments. Then they sort each entry into the right category, like income, expenses, assets, or liabilities. This step makes sure the data is organized and easy to understand. Once everything is categorized, bookkeepers post those entries into the general ledger. The ledger is like the master file. It holds all the financial activity in one place. From there, the numbers are ready for reports, taxes, and decision-making. This careful process keeps your records clean, your books balanced, and your business on track. Let's walk through a simple example to see how bookkeeping works in action. The business starts when the owner invests $5,000 into the company. That's recorded as debit cash $5,000, credit owner's capital $5,000. Next, the business buys $2,000 worth of inventory. This gets recorded as debit inventory $2,000, credit cash $2,000. Then, a customer buys some of that inventory for $3,000 in cash. First, you record the sale, debit cash $3,000, credit sales revenue $3,000. Then, record the cost of goods sold. Let's say the inventory cost was $1,200. Debit cost of goods sold $1,200, credit inventory $1,200. Each of these steps is recorded by the bookkeeper. This process keeps the books balanced and shows exactly where the money is going. Every transaction in bookkeeping follows one simple rule: the double entry system. That means every transaction affects two accounts. One account is debited and one is credited. When the owner invests money, cash goes up. That's a debit. Capital also goes up. That's a credit. When you buy inventory, inventory goes up. Debit. Cash goes down. Credit. Sell something, cash comes in. Debit. Revenue increases. Credit. This system keeps the accounting equation in balance. Assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. It's the core of bookkeeping. Every entry has two sides, and they always balance. Bookkeeping and accounting work together, but they're not the same thing. Bookkeeping is all about recording. It's the daily work of tracking every sale, every payment, every expense. Think of it as building the foundation: clean, organized, and up-to-date records. Accounting builds on that foundation. It takes the numbers from bookkeeping and turns them into financial reports. It explains what the numbers mean: profit, loss, tax, strategy. Bookkeeping tells you what happened. Accounting tells you what it means and what to do next. Both are essential, but bookkeeping always comes first. You don't have to do all your bookkeeping by hand. Today, smart tools make the process faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. For beginners, Excel or Google Sheets can be a solid start. You can build custom templates to track income, expenses, and balances. But for real efficiency, most businesses use accounting software. QuickBooks is the most popular, great for small to medium businesses. It connects to your bank, sorts transactions, and even helps with taxes. If you're looking for something free, Wave is a great option. It offers invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reports, all online. The key is this: use a tool that fits your needs and stick with it. Consistency is what makes bookkeeping work. Let's wrap this up. Bookkeeping is the foundation of all accounting. It's about recording every transaction, keeping your financial story organized and accurate. We covered what it is, the core tasks bookkeepers do, how double entry works, and even some great tools to help you stay on top of it. If this helped you understand bookkeeping better, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next up we're breaking down adjusting entries and how to prepare a trial balance, the next steps in your accounting journey. You're building strong skills one video at a time.